My name is Sarah Kolb. I am the housekeeping manager here at Garland. On a day-to-day basis, I manage a staff of about 40 people. My job entails doing lots of things from scheduling, forecasting rooms, getting things ready for upcoming events, making sure that everything's timed between golf course bathrooms to making sure our conference spaces are available and cleaned and maintained to guest rooms. Well, my career path started a while ago. I've been in the industry my whole life. My career first job was working in a restaurant. I went into the hotel business as my second job. Started off in laundry, working my way up as a room attendant, public area. I was doing all of that while I was going to college for hospitality. So I have done lots of different things throughout the industry between food and beverage, housekeeping. I eventually moved on to the front desk where I was a front desk agent, was promoted to supervisor, promoted to manager. So I started managing about 5 years ago. And it's been a great experience being able to move up throughout the industry, doing lots of different things. If you're going to go into this field, I think that it's really important to know that it's one of those things that's a changing environment. Being able to adapt to change at all times. I've watched this industry change over the past 10 years, and it's a really exciting thing. But being able to be friendly with people and work with people, and you're going to come across all sorts of different people in all paths of life. Part of my job that I think is super exciting is that I have an amazing staff. So we work all different areas. The fun part about being in housekeeping is that you touch every other department. So getting to be able to see what it's like to work on grounds and where it's like to maintain the golf courses and watch how everything kind of unfolds is kind of a nice thing. Not a lot of departments can say that they get to interact with other departments that way, but I get to see food and beverage and all of that. And so you get a real eye-opening experience when you're in hospitality to be able to see all different aspects and find what you're truly passionate about and want to do in life. This is such a warm and welcoming place. The people here are just amazing. Locals, it's a small town. Everybody knows who you are. So it's a really, really awesome environment to be in.